How to build business credit with your EIN and not your Social Security number. Business credit is tied directly to your company's employment identification number and not your Social Security number. Hence, your business must build credit to buy the goods and services it needs. Inquiries for business credit do not go on your personal credit reports, so they don't affect your personal credit scores. Your business and personal credit scores can be very different. Let's take a look at the retail credit tier. With 5 to 8 vendor trade accounts reporting to at least one of the CRAs, move on to the retail credit tier. These are companies like Office Depot and Staples. Use your EIN on the credit applications. One example is Lowe's. They report to D&B, Equifax, and Business Experian. They want to see a DUNS number and a Paydex score of 78 or better. Let's check out the fleet credit tier. Do you have 10 or more accounts reporting? Then you can move on to fleet credit. These are companies like BP and Conoco. Use this credit to buy fuel and to repair and maintain vehicles. Make sure to apply using your EIN. One example is Shell. They report to D&B and Business Experian. They want to see a Paydex score of 78 or better and a 411 business phone listing. They might say they want a certain amount of time in business or revenue. But if you already have enough trade lines, that won't be necessary and you can still get approval. Let's get a good look at the cash credit tier. Have you been responsibly handling the credit you've got so far? Then move on to cash credit. These are companies like Visa and MasterCard. Keep your Social Security number off these applications. Use your EIN instead. One example is the Fuelman MasterCard. They report to D&B and Equifax Business. They want to see a Paydex score of 78 or better, 10 trade lines reporting on D&B report, a $10,000 high credit limit reporting on D&B report or other account reporting, and that yours is an established business. What about more revolving credit after going through the cash credit tier? These are companies like Walmart and Dell, also Home Depot, BP, and Racetrack. These are often MasterCards. If you have 14 trade accounts reporting, then these are within your reach. Responsible credit management is key. Always use your credit responsibly. Don't borrow more than what you can pay off. Keep track of balances and deadlines for payments. Paying off on time and in full will do more to raise your scores than nearly anything else. Building business credit pays dividends. Good business credit scores help you get loans. Your lender knows you can pay your debts. They know your business is for real. Your EIN connects to high scores, and lenders won't feel the need to demand a personal guarantee. Let's recap. Create a fundable business which credit providers feel they can trust. Work with the IRS to get your EIN and properly set up your business entity. Visit D&B and get a DUNS number if you don't have one already. Get true starter credit, vendor credit, at the start. Monitor your credit and correct any errors if they arise. Move on to retail credit with 5 to 8 trade lines reporting. Move on to fleet credit with 10+ stores reporting. Then move on to cash credit. Always manage your credit responsibly. Contact us today to learn more about how to build business credit with your EIN and not your Social Security number.